The iPhone 13 Pro is one of the best phones in the world right now, but that hasn't stopped luxury brand Caviar from upgrading it with bulletproof armor. Caviar Stealth 2.0 bulletproof armor is designed to take protection to a crazy new level, with a manufacturer of bulletproof vests and armored personnel carriers augmenting the Apple flagship with BR2 Class 2 armor. And to prove just how protective the iPhone 13 Pro Stealth 2.0 armor is, here's an astounding video showing the armored iPhone being shot repeatedly with a Glock 17 handgun. And the remarkable thing is that the Stealth 2.0 iPhone 13 Pro took 2 direct hits from the Glock 17, stopping both bullets. The phone lost functionality, but the result is that if this were being carried by a real person, then they would be alive rather than dead. Remarkable. A close-up of the phone shows that the bullet does not pass through the handset, which in the case of Glock 17 is 9x19 parabellum ammunition. The Glock 17 is capable of a 12-round capacity. Here at T3, we think it was remarkable that this iPhone 13 Pro armor stopped 1 bullet, let alone 2, and, well, you can't argue with those results. This iPhone 13 Pro was literally a lifesaver.